Greetings and welcome. This is Amit Damodar, MRICS. We bring to you during this lockdown a very new initiative. We have CP meets from various builders starting 29th May, which is actually today, 2021. It is a Saturday. We plan to continue this for the entire lockdown. We plan to have one meeting every day at 11 a.m. This is for all realtors beyond any association barriers. We basically want to make the lockdown useful. So the idea came that realtors are sitting at home. What is it that they should do? So it's an ideal time for people to understand what is the inventory in the market, what is new. People are saying that the sale of plots is booming. Therefore, we are connecting with developers, understanding what is available. And when the markets open up, we should know what to pitch to our clients and how. So the first episode today, we have Urban Tree. And representing Urban Tree is Mr. Maulik Popat. He is accessible on 7299299908. He is assisted by Balaji. Before handing over to Mr. Maulik, I would like to thank three people, Vinay, Mujibur Rahman, and Anindra, for actually helping me set this up and actually push this through. Over to you, Maulik. Let us get started, and thank you for being the first person to take our invite. Over to you now. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Sir, residential, they have proposed for it. We are also doing it actually. Before starting phase 2, we are going to come up with this.
Okay.
Tell us some advantages about this location, no? This plotted
sure.
developments.
Sure. One second.
Yeah.
You'll have to give me 1 minute, Indra, madam.
Sure,
One
no
second.
problem. Take your time.
Sir, do you have any new? Hello.
Yes, Mr. Venugopal, please go ahead.
Hello.
Venugopal, sir, please ask your question.
Yeah. Do you have any build-to-suit proposal for warehouses?
Hold on, sir.
Yes.
Maulik, Mr.
Sorry, I'm back.
Venugopal wanted to know
Yes, sir.
whether you'll have any build-to-suit proposal of for warehouses.
Build to suit proposal, we are coming up with 9 lakh square feet. Here,
Sir, I hope from where we can collect the details, basic details from your project. Sir.
I will send it to you,
Okay.
sir. I will send it
thank
to
you. Thank you.
Sir,
Okay.
Mr. Balaji, our sales head has joined. Balaji,
Okay.
Balaji, can you hear me? Yes, he is here. Raise your hand, Balaji, so that everybody will know you. Not audible, Balaji. Not audible.
Sorry, I can't hear you.
Yes. Now it's got. Okay. Balaji, Indra madam wanted to know the plotted development, our Silverfield plotted location advantages. And what is the future benefit? Over to you, Balaji. Where is he going? Balaji?
Okay, maybe like he's out. Maulik, why don't you? Yeah.
I think Nemlicheri is next to that desalination plant, right?
No. Sorry, this is Balaji from Urban Tree.
Yeah, hi.
Hi. So I'll just give you the brief about both the Pattabhiram and which one the Nemlicheri, both the projects actually. Nemlicheri, it is not in the ECR actually, it is in the Avadi belt. Before that, I'll just give you the brief about that location. What is the scope of the development and where is it located basically? And then I'll explain about the project actually. So as we said, we are coming up with two new projects. One is in Pattabhiram, next one is in Nemlicheri actually. Both the projects are in the same within a 2 to 3 kilometers of radius. Actually, it's next to the Avadi. I hope everyone know the Avadi location.
This near Thiruvananthapuram Road.
Yeah, just before Tirunelveli. That's next to Avadi. From Avadi, it is hardly 5 to 6 kilometers radius. We have a project actually. What is the advantage of location for the both Pattabhiram as Nemlicherry means this is a upcoming location for the Chennai next and how the last 10 years or 20 years the market will be in GST and OMR. And the next 10 years the market will be in this belt basically Pundamalli, Avadi, Pattabhiram. This is a location for the particularly in the plotting developments actually, because why the thing means the first thing is the tidal park. The new tidal park is going to come in Pattabhiram actually. It is almost in a 40 acres. They are going to construct a 4 million square feet, almost 40 lakh square feet. Government is going to construct a phase 2 tidal park, Chennai one actually. So that is a first major highlight point. That's why most of them they are investing in that particular location actually. And second thing is outer ring road. So outer ring road, this is a road it's connecting from Vandalur to which one is the Ennur Orban. It is almost 62 kilometer stretch road. This is not like a Chennai bypass road. It is a peripheral road. They're not a peripheral, it's an outer ring road. Hope everyone will know that which one is Chennai's inner ring road. So anyone know about the Chennai's inner ring road? Which one?
Hello.
Madurai, sir.
Hello.
Madavaram to
Porur Madura. Yeah.
Hello. Yes.
Yeah. Most of them they will.
Good morning.
That is
Porur
Madurai to.
நீங்க வேணா ஜூம்ல வாங்க நான் அனுப்புறேன் நீங்க வாங்க ஜூம்ல listen
inner ring road.
You mean to say the first inner ring road is Tambaram bypass road, Tambaram Madurai bypass road?
No, that is not inner ring road.
Inner ring road.
Inner ring road means which one is from Gindi to Kolattur. That is a Chennai's inner ring road actually. It's a 100 feet road. Like 10 years, 15 years before we all talk about.
Sir, please hold on. Sir, please hold on.
Yeah,
we can't hear both.
Mr. Muthu, put yourself on mute, please.
Yeah, I'll wait.
Ask that gentleman to put a mute.
சொல்லு மௌலி
முத்துகிருஷ்ணன் சார் கொஞ்சம் மியூட் பண்ணுங்க.
மிஸ்டர் முத்துகிருஷ்ணன் இவ்வளவு பேர் குரூப்ல இருக்காங்க, ப்ளீஸ் மியூட் பண்ணுங்க. You put mute and you speak on phone.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Shall I again?
Please.
Yes, yeah. So Chennai's inner ring road means that is from Gindi to Kolattur. That is a 100 feet road. 20 years before government has constructed an inner ring road actually. So everybody will now it is not like in a ring road. It is almost in a part of Chennai actually. The same kind of development only government is planning for an outer ring road also. That is start from Vandalur to connecting Ennur. It will connect all 4 national highways like GST, Bangalore Highway, and Tirupati Highway, and then Kolkata Highway. All these 4 roads will be linked with the outer ring road actually. So that's what government is planning. Next other things like if you see Coimbatore will be no more in next 5 years time, or majorly 3 bus terminals like Vandalur, Kuttambakam, and Madavaram. These are the major 3 bus terminals for the Chennai actually in the next 5 years. All these 3 bus terminals will be interconnected with the outer ring road. And then government is now planning next to the just near to that outer ring road. Government is planning now the tidal park actually. Like that, government is having a mini plan. Basically, it is not like just a road. It is government is planning for expansion of the city. That is what government has invested almost more than 6,000 crores in that one single road actually. That is a major point. So from the outer ring road, our both the site will be within a 500 meters actually, which you take for Pattabhiram or it will be Nemlicherry. Both the project will be from the outer ring road. It is already 500 meters. And then the pricing for, sorry. Yeah. So these are the major 2 that location developments basically. And next thing is connectivity. You can easily access city very fastly. That's hardly 30 to 40 minutes of travel time. You can reach core cities like Anna Nagar, T Nagar, Nungambakam, or this side if you come for Vadapalani. All those locations maximum and a 40 minutes of travel time you can able to reach it actually. So for example, one small example, we are quoting Nemlicherry project. It will be 1,499 is a soft launch price, but the launch price was 1599. Till this lockdown, we are giving a price for 1499 actually. If anyone wants to invest at 1499 in GST, means they would have buy a property near Chengalpet, not even near Chengalpet, just beyond the Chengalpet only can invest it actually. That means from the city, they want to travel at least 60 to 70 kilometers basically. If any investor looking a property in OMR, they would have bought a property near Kalpakkam only for 1,500 rupees per square feet actually. But both the locations, if you take it, is oddly minimum 70 to 80 kilometers travel distance. Whereas our project from the central railway station, it is exactly 32 kilometers. So the appreciation scope will be more. You can assure your client in the next 3 to 5 years, the price will be double. These are the three infrastructures going to come, is yet to function. First thing is Tidal Park, second is Poonnamalli Metro, and third is Kothambakkam bus terminal. All these three things, all the things will be from our side. It's a 3 to 5 kilometers radius basically. Tidal Park, if we take, it's a 3 kilometers from our side. And new Poonnamalli Metro, from our site, it is a 10 kilometers, but at the travel time, if you take, it is hardly 6 to 7 minutes of travel time you can reach it via ORR actually. And Kothambakkam bus terminal, that is also is already 10 kilometers. So if when all these three infrastructures, if it comes, means the price 100% it will be double. So you will never, we cannot give that assurance basically in any location. Your price will be double, sir, in next 3 to 5 years time, because in all the locations, whichever in OMR, GST, ECR, all the things almost in the saturation level actually. This is the only location there is a scope of development basically. So that's what customers are enough. Even be surprised. We launched a project Silverfield in the month of January. January 15th, we launched a project, and April 15th, we closed 90% of the stock. Not only us, many developers. In even Tirumari, say there are 2-3 developers, they launched a project, almost sold out actually. Because customers are more they are investing in this location basically. Same on Silverfield, we are coming up with phase 2, phase 3, all the things. In another 300 to 500 plots, we are going to come up with in the same location, Pattabhiram. And the next project is Nemlicheri. That is a project name is called Pearl County. That is also in the same location only. So that the price was somewhere 1499 only. We are quoting it, and
Sir,
12 plots only.
Balaji,
and we have, yes.
How will you assist us in once we share the lead? Do you arrange a pickup drop? How do you help us in the site inspection? Because nowadays clients, even if they have to go that far, they ask us whether there is a pickup drop facility. Does our team have to be there over there? How do we go about that? Can you kindly explain that to us?
Yeah, sure. Maulik?
Yes, Balaji.
Maulik, can you explain the thing?
Sure.
What is the procedure? All the
lead registration, we do it in our portal. User ID and password will be shared to you. Okay. Most of us have got it, the user ID and password. You will have to register the lead with us. Once the lead is registered, the lead life is 45 days. Okay. Once the lead is registered, I have an in-house telecalling team of 7 members and a team leader for the telecallers. We validate those leads, name, mobile number, email ID and all, and the location also. The customer is interested, we push for the site visit basically. We make sure the customer comes to the site.
Maulik, will you be arranging?
Yes, we cap facilities for plotted development. Urban Tree is not giving it.
Okay, so that's what I'm saying. Now, if I have to bring a client to your plotted development,
yes,
I'll have to, we'll have to assist them and bring them to site.
Correct. But our in-house team, telecalling team, they call the customer and push for the site visit. Customer has to come on their own. Otherwise, you can give an accompany site visit. Urban Tree is not giving cap facility for these 2 projects for plotted development. For residential, regular apartments, we are giving it actually. Okay. So this is what it is. Any other doubt, Mike? Over to you, Balaji.
Yeah, I'll just continue the thing. So this is what about the location actually. And next I'll just come up with the project basically. So first I'll come up with in a Pattabhiram, the Silverfield.
Maulik sir, Amir Khan.
Yes, sir.
The Pearl County, what is the guideline value?
Guideline value is 999. 1,000 rupees we have.
So from the guideline value only 80% home loan is eligible.
No. We are putting a development agreement. So on the property, the overall property value, 70% customers will get the loan.
Okay. நான் ஆல்ரெடி விசிட் பண்ணிருக்கிறேன் அந்த சில்வர் ஃபீல்டு அது நியர்பை ஹவுசஸ்லாம் இருக்கும்.
Pearl County nearby houses unduங்க வந்து actually.
Sir, installment basis unda?
Sorry?
Installment basis nadakuma?
No sir, there is no installment basis. And the customer wants to go with a loan only. Home loan or one?
It's a CMD approved project, sir. So he is eligible for 80% of the loan. When most of the projects, most of the banks are approved.
So I just complete the project features. Next thing. So first one is Silver Fields. Silver Fields, if you see, except the drainage, you have all the facilities in that project basically. That is a proper blacktop roads with paver walkways, solar street lights, and then the complete gardening. And we are providing a children's play area, and then badminton, that is multi-purpose court. And apart from even water line for each plots basically. So except the drainage, on all the facilities will be available in Silver Fields actually. Customer can construct their home immediately. So if, for example, we sold almost 90% of the plot. Actually, out of 90%, nearly 60 to 70% the customers are end-using customers, not even the investors basically. They are going to start their own. They are going to start the construction very immediately in 3 to 6 months of time. Maybe before my phase 2 launch, at least I can see 50 to 60 homes inside the community. So that kind of a product basically. Same thing in Pearl County also. It's a proper development. It is not like it's a normal plotting development. It's a proper blacktop roads with paver walkways and complete gardening. That's landscaping we are providing, and then it's a fully compounded 24/7 security will be available, and EV power readily available actually. So everything, if a customer has to come and see the site, surely they will like the project. That kind of product, both the projects actually. So this is what the project features basically, and location features. If any doubts, any clarifications required, please.
Yeah. You sold 90% of your inventory, right, in Pattabhiram?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
When was the first plot sold? When was the first plot?
January 4th, we started a first sale.
January 4th.
This January 2021, January 4th.
2021 only you started.
Yeah.
Okay.
In 3 months, we sold almost 90% stock.
Mr. Balaji?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Mr. Balaji, this is Mujibur Rahman here. Do you
Yes.
also assist in the construction? And if yes, then what would be the cost of construction?
Yes, sir. We are assisting for a construction also. We are charging 2,100 rupees per square feet as a construction cost, plus 3 to 4 lakh rupees is other charges for the approval, EB, and borewell, other things.
Thank you, Mr. Balaji.
Someone has to construct a 1,000 square feet plot means 1,000 square feet is a build-up area, means the total value will come around 25 lakh rupees. Sir. So 2,100 rupees is the construction cost, plus 4 lakh rupees is other charges. We are assisting for that.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Balaji.
Yeah.
And Mr. Balaji, this new tidal park,
Yes,
it is like it is only proposed, or it is like started? Or
it is construction already started, ma'am. Already there are 3 floors. Phase 1, in new tidal park, it's going to come up in 4 phases actually. Phase 1 construction is already started. The 3rd floor, not even 3rd, 4th floor roofing is going on. We will share you the actual pictures, ma'am. That is, Maulik will share you. Construction.
Okay.
Balaji, what is the plot size?
Sorry, sir.
What is the plot sizes?
Plot sizes in both the projects, the minimum start from 600 to maximum 1,500, sir.
Okay.
So we have a 600, 800, 1,000, 1,200, 1,500 in different variants we have in our projects. It's a plot.
Okay.
So customer, if for example, Pearl County, Silverfield, if we take the minimum budget start from 14 lakhs to maximum is 30 lakhs. All inclusive, I'm saying actually. And the minimum size is 600 square feet. If you go with Pearl County, that Nemlicherry project, the minimum size is 770 square feet, maximum is 1,500. Over there also, the minimum budget will be 14 lakhs to 25 lakhs is the maximum budget. So within the 25 lakhs, easily customer can get 1,000 square feet plot in Nemlicherry. In Silverfield, 800 square feet they would have get. And this price is all inclusive, including your registration and everything. Sorry.
Okay.
So that, and one more, what is the thing is, if you I have started to work means in both the locations we are coming up with our phases. That is Silverfield phase 1 almost 90% sold, but within 3 months we are going to launch the phase 2. That will be another 160 plots, and phase 3 also is going to come. That is again another 150 plots as of now. And also we are planning to procure another minimum 10 acres land parcel apart from the phase 3 actually, the same location. And same thing in Pearl County also. The phase 1 is 2.2 acres, 69 plots. Again, the phase 2 already the work is started actually. There another 60 plots is going to come. And apart from, we are planning another 5 to 6 acres to procure in that location also actually.
Mr. Balaji?
Yes.
Yeah, can you tell me what is the availability of water facility and the quality of the water?
Sure. In both the for example, in Silverfield, Pattabhiram project, we have a water will be 30 to 40 feet. We have a groundwater. The quality of water is good actually. The TDS level and all. If you want, our CPT will share you the water report also actually. That's good only. Within a 30 to 40 feet, we are getting a water in Silverfield in Pattabhiram project. In Nemlicherry project in Pearl County, we are getting a water in 15 to 20 feet.
The quality is good, na?
Quality also is good. It's surrounded by its agri land only. Paddy field is still going on actually. The quality of water and all is too good.
What is the neighborhood in Nemlicherry?
Neighborhood in Nemlicherry means there are two ways of there, sir. And first one is from via ORR, if you are going, there will be a village. It's called Annamade. It's surrounded with full of houses only. It's if you come from Nemlicherry railway station to our side, it's 1.7 kilometers. The entire 1.7 kilometers is fully layouts only. In the layout, completely houses are there actually. Another way, it is via ORR. That will be from ORR 700 meters. That 700 meters also, there will be a villages basically, Annamade villages there. So that's all.
What about access to schools and colleges?
So within 3 kilometers in both the project, within 3 kilometers, there are 10 well-reputed schools. For example, in Pattabhiram, if you take within 3 to 4 kilometers of radius, you have a Chaitanya, Magalshi Vidya Mandir, Velamal, and then Ramakrishna Vidyalaya. Like that, there are minimum 8 to 10 schools are there actually within 3 to 5 kilometers radius. All school vans are coming. Like for example, which is the schools in Bangalore, like Pupil, and then which one is another Chaitanya is there. Those buses also is coming for the till our site basically.
And what is the closest hospital to this site?
The closest hospital is within there are small clinics and hospitals are there inside. If you take a big well-reputed hospital means, which one is Panimallar Medical College hospital is there within 3 kilometers radius, and you can access Apollo. It is a 20 minutes of drive. Vanagaram Apollo from our side, it's 20 minutes drive only basically. So you can reach an Apollo. And but apart from nearby, there are many hospitals are there. In our brochure, it will be mentioned. We will share it. There are small hospitals basically.
And you have certain videos of your site which you can share with Vinay?
Yes, we have it. We have it, and we will share it.
Yeah.
It is 2.5 kilometers from Panimalarpa.
Which one?
This Nemlich, whatever this plot.
A plot, Silverfield from the Panimallar Medical College is there, ma'am. Actually, from the Panimallar Medical College, our site is 4.5 kilometers, ma'am.
Okay.
From the railway station, Pattabhiram railway station, our site is 2.5 kilometers. Silverfield, that is Pattabhiram project. Nemlicherry project also you can access from Pattabhiram railway station. That is 3.5 kilometers.
What is the kind of people who are buying there? The industries over there are, I think there is some 3-4 industries there, no?
If you see that, for example, which we sold 90% of the product, if customers means within 5 kilometers, almost 70% of the clients who are all staying within 5 kilometers radius. Who are all staying in Avadi.
The existing residents.
And yeah, existing residents only, they majorly
yeah.
And 30% of the client, because those people only they know about the location. And actually,
yeah.
what is the main difficult for us means when somebody is living in South Chennai or somebody is living in, even we are getting a client from Keelpark, Annanagar, those locations, but we are not getting a client from Tambaram or from the OMR, those locations, because they are not accepting basically. That is the thing. But we have a very good scope. We have to educate them. If you are giving a proper education to them. We are explaining the things. They are also understanding. We got the clients from the OMR, IT people also. Almost 30% of the clients they would have bought from the IT background basically. But another maximum 60%, it's a railway employees. Most of them things railway employees they have bought it actually, and then within a 5 kilometers radius only they.
So 80% sold, you're saying, in this
90% sold, ma'am.
Okay, very good.
It's out of 178, it is 162 plots are sold, ma'am.
Wow.
So rest we have 16 plots only left out actually.
And that 162 was sold by you or by channel partners?
Both channel partner and for us basically.
Channel
out
partners
of
share
30 to 40% will be channel partners contribution.
36% exactly. And in this particular project, Silverfield, investors also invested in this.
Yeah.
Nearly 22% are the investors. As Balaji said, railway employees are also invested in this. Most of the railway.
Yeah.
Yes, Balaji.
Yes.
Did you give any installment scheme for them? To the railway employees?
They're not giving any. No, ma'am, we didn't give any. So if the Silverfields means they will get up to 80% loan. If it is Pearl County means up to 70% they will get the loan.
But how far the appreciation you're telling, sir? Like appreciation, because land
appreciation
is doubling in 6 months, 1 year, like that. So what's your view on that?
No, sir. We are not telling in that like 3 to 5 years you will get a doubling the money. So nowhere in Chennai market, if you take anywhere last 10 years, your price is not doubling, sir. Any location, sir, actually. And 2012, 2013, somebody's bought a property means still the price was somewhere 30 to 40% only is appreciated actually. But in this location, we can give the 100% assurance, and the next 3 to 5 years of time, the price will be doubling, sir.
Thank you.
We cannot give in a 6 months, 1 year time and all, the price will doubling and all, sir. That won't happen, sir. Maybe it happened in 10 years before and all, but at present scenario, it is not happening.
Mr. Balaji. Mr. Balaji.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Balaji, can you tell me any what is the price of private land is being sold at?
Sorry, sir.
Private land. What is it being sold at? What price? Suppose I buy a plot outside the gated community.
In nearby location, private land, they are selling at somewhere around 1,800, 1,900 in that ranges, sir, actually. That is a Pata land. It is not a CMD approved land. It's a Pata land. Nearby location, people are selling at somewhere around 1,800, 1,900 as a per square feet rate. We are quoting at 2,200 rupees, but it is a CMD approved and proper with, we are giving a proper development, sir, actually. Because in both the project, we spend nearly 250 to 300 rupees per square feet on developments price itself, actually. Customers are accepting, sir. That's what I'm saying. Even if you see in Pattabhiram project, so almost 30 to 40%, basically a Pattabhiram resident only they bought it actually. They know the pricing. Even they are getting a property 1,500, 1,600 also. But they would have purchased here because they need this kind of community basically. Whichever the 1,500, 1,600, and the road which will be 20 feet, 16 feet, and it will be a Pata land, those kind of things actually. If it is a CMD approved non-development project, they are quoting 1,800 to 2,000 rupees. With fully proper development means it's 2,200, 2,300. Other people are quoting it.
Who are the competitive promoters in Nemlicherry?
So in Nemlicherry, in both the location, we don't have any competitors, sir.
We don't have
There is what a thing, sir. Actually.
That's an advantage.
Because our competitor means who is going to sell the resale property. They are only the competitor. They would have bought 10 years before somewhere 500, 600 rupees. They may sell it now 1,200, 1,300. They are selling at 1,500 rupees actually. But apart from there is no competitors in that location, both the location.
So you have an advantage. You have a very big advantage.
Yes. Yes.
How
yes,
far is the railway station from there?
For example, the Silverfield project from the railway station, it is 2.5 kilometers, ma'am. Pearl County from the Pattabhiram railway station is 3.5 kilometers. But Pearl County, what is advantage means within a 3 kilometers, there are 3 railway stations for the Pearl County, that Nemlicherry project. For both Nethinunandraur and Pattabhiram are 3 kilometers, and Nemlicherry station is 1.7 kilometers.
But Nemlicherry is on broad gauge, no?
Sorry, ma'am? Broad gauge only, ma'am.
The train stop there or only at Pattabiram and Avadi?
No. Train stop there, ma'am. Nemlicheri also.
Balaji, it is near to Balaji, it is near to Hindu College?
Sir, yes, not near to Hindu College. Hindu College, next to the Hindu College is Pattabiram railway station. Next to the Pattabiram is Nemlicheri railway station. That's it. So all unit trains will stop in Nemlicheri railway station. Express it won't stop actually. Expresses will stop only in Tirunelveli actually. So all unit trains you have every 15 to 20 minutes. Once frequently you have a unit train facility.
Is a DTCP approved?
It's a CMD approved.
CMD approved.
Yeah.
And what is the frontage of your plots?
Frontage of the plots, if you take all are 25, minimum 25 feet, it's maximum up to 40 feet.
Okay.
See,
and your roads and the roads inside are 24 feet?
No, ma'am. All are 30, 33 feet and 24 feet. Majorly 30 feet roads.
30 feet. Okay.
9 meter road. It is basically.
Okay.
So what's the process of booking? Tell us how do you do? If somebody like let's say NRI wants to book or somebody sitting from abroad, what's the online process? You get all the material. So
yes, ma'am. If anybody is interested to the project, means they can, first of all you have to register the lead. All the things will be there. And next we will share the details, every details through online, like layout, everything. Customer can choose their plot. Once they choose a plot, they can book through online. We will share the online account details, everything, and we'll share the online form, booking form also. Once they fill the form, and then if you transfer the money, the booking procedure will be over. We will send all the other documents through online itself.
So that you will take care.
We will take care, ma'am. Yeah. From your end, you just register your lead. Apart from the site visit, sale, closing, everything we will take care, ma'am. We will take care of all the things, basically.
What are your commissions? Actually, can you put more light on that?
Maulik?
Yeah. Vinay bhai, I have shared the creative of commission for the month of May and June. If you could just share your screen, if you don't mind, it will be convenient.
Amit has it. Amit? Is Amit on the Zoom call? Let me just see 1 second. Please hold on. Yeah, Amit is on call. Okay. Amit can just share it. The commission, which is there on your WhatsApp. There you are given for Pearl County and Silverfields.
Yeah. So I have shared all the brochures and the commission structure on our groups. We have 2 groups. One is the Realtor Education groups for non-Kriya members, and there's a Realtor no rules groups for Kriya members. Okay. So the brochures are on that, and the commission structure is also there. Would you want me to also share it here on the screen?
Yeah, better.
Sure. So you only want me to share the commission structure. That's it.
Yeah, that's enough.
Sure.
It has mentioned 3 projects in this: Silverfield, Pearl County, and Gold Mine. Gold Mine, it's again a plotted development, upcoming project. We have to apply for a RERA now. Okay. So you can start registering. You can start registering the lead for Gold Mine also, which is there in Avdi, opposite to Vellamal School. Okay, so this is the commission structure for the month of May and June.
Okay, just actually requesting everybody to mute. There's somebody who is having background sound, so you'll have to mute yourself, please. Yeah.
Yes. Okay, Silverfield, we are giving little less because there is limited inventory available. Pearl County, it's a new project, so we are giving everybody to concentrate on the Pearl County because it's the commission is very high, and for every booking we are giving 2 grams of gold. For every booking, every sale. And for gold mine, again it is a little high because the price is very high. For the Avdi project, gold mine, Avdi plotted development project, which will start from Balaji. How much will be the cost? Around approximately.
In Avadi the price was 3,800 rupees per square feet rate.
Okay. And launch price will be how much, Balaji?
Launch we are planning at 3,999.
Okay.
So the pre-launch will be 3,800 rupees.
Okay. So for that also we are giving up to 100 rupees. And 1 gram gold. So this is the scheme for the month of till June 9. Thank you, Amit sir, for sharing this.
Okay, Maulik, one question to you.
Sir. Madam.
See, the lead is registered by you guys, and then it goes on for, you said the validity of the lead is 45 days, right?
Correct.
Right. But then, it takes some time for some customers to take a decision. And then what if the 45 days is over and then they again come back to us and say that, I'm interested to book the plot or something like that. So how do you go about it?
Okay.
Can we extend the validity?
Okay. I'm coming up with the new software. Okay. The earlier software did not have some facilities for the CPs. Now the new software is going to add, there is a box which will be available as a description. The CP can also add a description saying customer is out of station. He is coming back only after 2 months. So let the lead be active. This particular lead be active. So your lead will be active for us in your name only. So I'm coming up with that again after the lockdown. We are working on the software on an everyday basis, basically.
Because I'll tell you, the biggest fear is giving these leads. We have the biggest fear that it will be misused.
Misused? No. It will not be misused. Don't do it.
I hope Urban does it.
No, definitely we don't do. We do only transparent business. And each and every of your lead, you can see the status. My telecaller calls 5 times and then only he puts lost. He or she. 5 times she will try, and after 5 times only it will be lost.
We are already registered with registered few leads with Urban Tree.
Okay.
You can see the lead progress. The telecaller's remarks, everything is being updated. Real time. You can actually track the leads whatever you are registering.
Okay. No, I was more bothered about the validity point. That's what he said. No, he's doing something about it.
Maulik, you have shared the brochures and the payment structure. There's a layout sketch you can share, and that will give us a fair idea of the road width and internal roads and all. Maulik?
I'm just sharing that.
I'm sorry, it got disconnected. Yes, Indra madam.
Srinivasan was talking.
Yes. Sorry, it got disconnected.
No problem. We got your brochure and the payout structure. Can you share the layout sketch, which shows the road width of the main road, the internal roads, where the OSR is, and with the plot numbers?
Sure. Balaji, I have the actual photos which I've taken it 10 days back, remember? And other things, if you could share it with me, I'll put it in the group.
Layout, I can share you, no problem. You can share it in the group actually. And also the video links, you can send a YouTube link, I'll share you. The same, you can share it to this group actually.
Sure.
I'll share it to you.
Yeah. So we have two WhatsApp groups. Whatever Maulik you are sharing, I will send it to both the WhatsApp groups.
Okay.
And like I had actually mentioned, one is for Kriya members and one is for non-Kriya members, which is an education group. I'll share it on both. And you can also share your business card so that I can forward that as well. And whoever wants to connect with you can actually connect with you directly.
Fine. Take it.
Maulik, I'll just give you a small brief about the Goldman project also.
Avdi plotted development. He will.
Avdi plotted. Yes, ma'am. I'll just give you a small brief about the gold mine that is located in Avadi. We can say that is hot cakes, basically, that kind of product, basically, because it is totally 65 plots in that location also, actually. Where it is exactly located is Avadi in Parithipatta, the location name, just opposite to Velamal CBSE school, actually. This will be a link road between Avadi to Mugaper, or Avadi to Managaram. Those in this link road only we have a project. Such an excellent location, prime location. So this is not like an investment product. We are looking for a living purpose. For example, if anybody wants to buy an apartment in that location, means the apartment 3 BHK cost will be around 50 to 55 lakh rupees, the average 3-bedroom cost. Whereas here in the same 55 to 60 lakh rupees budget, they would have get for a independent house. That hello, can you hear me?
Yes, Balaji, go ahead.
Yeah, I can. Okay, that's what that kind of product. Because if, for example, in a 800 square feet plot in that particular project, the cost will come around somewhere around, if it is at 3,800 rupees as a base price, also all inclusive cost between 35 to 40 lakh rupees is a land cost. Another 20-25 lakhs if they spend in a construction, they can easily get in a 60 lakh rupees is an independent house. It's again a gated community. You have all the facilities inside the project, and also the location wise it's a prime location. But we didn't get the RERA. That's the reason we couldn't able to share any project details, basically. But you can start to register your leads, basically. Maximum in a post lockdown, within a 15 days you would have get the RERA, basically. So for that also you can start to work, basically. That is the thing. Because somebody is looking a property in Nalabur, or somebody is looking a property in Vanagaram, or somebody's property in Thiruverkadu for apartments. Like if they are, for example, those locations, if they want to buy a 3 BHK, the price was somewhere around 85 to 90 lakh rupees to come for a 3 BHK cost. Whereas here it is from those locations, hardly 10 minutes is extra travel time. Those customers can get an independent house and a 60-65 lakhs of budget, basically. That's what because in a soft launch itself, we will sold almost 30% of the stock, basically. So we have an excellent response for those projects also. So you just start to register the lead for gold mine project also, actually. So that's
Balaji. Mr. Balaji, if you can share the pinned location of the site to all of us, I think that will be really helpful. Well, if the RERA and other details come, at least just study the location.
Yeah, we will share the pin location, no problem. The site is completely ready. Customer can go and see the site also now, actually. Only for the RERA, we are just waiting, actually. So we will share the pin location, no problem.
In the site, the site which you are talking about now, the RERA is yet to come with.
Yeah, gold mine, that is in Avadi Parithipatta. Parithipatta தெரியுங்களா?
தெரியும். I think most of the projects are near Avadi, nearby circle, I think, right?
So plotting, we choose the location only in Avadi, sir, because there only the appreciation scope is there, sir, actually. So all this, that is what Urban Tree is planning for. We are coming up with at least 100 acres project in next 2 years of time in the same belt, sir.
See, and another successful thing is like everywhere you have electric train connections.
Right.
That is a main advantage.
Yes.
Balaji got developed everywhere.
Yes, sir.
Balaji, is it bang on the Avadi Punamalli road? Or
so it is not bang on. No, sir. It is not bang on the Avadi Punamalli road. It is in the link road of Avadi to which one? Mugaper connecting road, sir. Thiruverkadu or Mugaper connecting road, sir. Actually, it is from the main road. It is just 500 meters, sir. Not so interior and all, actually. From Avadi Punamalli road, it is just 500 meters. But that is also a link road between the Mugaper and Thiruverkadu. So just opposite to Velamal CBSE school.
What kind of approval you have for that? You said the gold mine.
It's CMD approved. We got the CMD approved, actually. We have just applied for the RERA.
Price band?
Sorry, sir.
Price?
The price is 3,800 rupees is per square feet rate, sir.
Okay.
But don't want to average price in that location. 3,536 is the rate, sir, actually. But what is the thing? Without any developments, actually, we are giving at 3,800 is the base price. But what is the advantage means our sizes are the main killing factor. The size is between 800 to 1200 only. So whereas whichever the project 3400, 3500, all the things, the ground one ground are 1800 to 2400 square feet or 2500 square feet, those kind of property. But here the size was between 800 to 1200, 1300 is the maximum. So everyone can afford the 200, 300 rupees little higher side also. Customers are ready to buy it because it will be in their budget basically.
And what is the facility you're giving inside? Like, so tar road will be giving street light is there. What are the
We are
common
giving a black top road. So this is a small project, so we don't have any OSR and all actually. It's a fully compounded. Compound means a proper compound in 8 feet brickwork compound basically. And then black top roads, a stormwater drainage system we are giving it, and we are giving a water line connection we are giving. And then that's what here also, except a drainage, you have all the facilities, sir.
Any underlying cable you are giving for electricals or line connection?
No, sir. We're not giving an underlying cable. It is
it's a
normal
project,
LED only.
Underlying cabling will be not cost you much. Also, will be highlight.
That's what, sir. But we also tried for that underlying cable only. But what is the issue? No, EB department வரும்போது வந்து overall அந்த லொகேஷன் அண்டர்லைன் கேபிள் இருந்தா தான் இங்க அக்செப்ட் பண்றாங்க. அரஸ் நீங்க அண்டர்லைன் கேபிள் கொடுத்தாலும் நாங்க யூஸ் பண்றது வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஓவர் த கேபிள் தான், நார்மல் லைன் தான் யூஸ் பண்ணுவான்றாங்க. ஸோ அப்ப அந்த பர்பஸே வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா எங்களுக்கு யூஸ் இல்லாத மாதிரி ஆயிடுது. தட் இஸ் த ரீசன் we didn't give the underline cable, sir.
So all the roads are
sorry, ma'am.
Proceed, Ramanathan, sir.
Yeah, all the roads you are giving here are 30 feet roads, sir?
It's a 30 feet road, sir.
Okay, right.
We have a 2 roads. It's a 16 feet private passage road is there. But apart from all are is 30 feet roads only.
Okay, right.
Balaji, how far from the main road?
Ma'am, it is on main road only, ma'am. That is, there will be 2 main roads, ma'am. One is Avadi Punnamalli main road. Another one is Avadi to Thiruvarkadu connecting link road actually. This will be on the link road. From the Avadi Punnamalli main road, it is 500 meters, ma'am.
Right, sir. Pleasure. Nice to know about it. Just can you give us some more insight on the Amaze project which is coming up in Porur and your T-Nagar project which is on South Bog Road with the pricing and what should be the approx landed costs and exactly details little bit on the apartments also with these specifications.
So the plotting is over. We'll just now we come up with an apartment space. We are coming up with 2 projects in that segment. One is in Porur, next one is in T-Nagar actually. I'll just give you the brief about the Amaze one, Porur project. Maulik will give you a brief about that T-Nagar project actually. So Amaze, it is basically it's a small gated community project. It's totally 132 apartments we are constructing over there. It is there also we got the CMD approved. We have just applied for a RERA. We are waiting for the RERA basically. So for Amaze, which is the location, main advantage is location, sir. That is basically from the main road, just opposite to Saravana stores. From the main road, just a 1 kilometer. It is a proper Porur. It is not like in a Manapakam, or it is not like in a bypass road, or it is not like in Ayapandangal, or it is not like in the Barni Putturandal actually. It is a proper Porur. And we are from the main road, it's exactly 1 kilometer as our site is located. It's a 132 apartment. The minimum size starts from 913 square feet to maximum 1280 square feet actually. And this is the configurations. And here, most of the apartments all are 3-bedroom apartments basically. Out of 132, only 20 apartments are 2 BHKs. Rest all are 2.5 and 3 BHK. Any 2 of them, please tell me. I'll just give you the configuration. What was the size? Can you please explain? Can you please tell us? So, for example, for us, it's a 2.5 BHK. The room configurations was, I just tell the room configuration. It is your living room size is 10 by 21. 22 is your living room size, and your master bedroom is 9 by 12. Second bedroom is 9 by 11, and third bedroom is 10 by 6. It's a study room, and 3 toilets. All 3 toilets are 7 by 4, and your kitchen size is 10 by 9. And there will be a balcony. It is 8 by 3. For this configuration, generally in our market, what is the size it will come in this configuration? It's a 2.5 BHK with 3 toilets.
Now you have to give a lot of space for one room for especially for Zoom meeting and Work from home.
Okay, because the study room or Zoom meeting room, or we can take it as a
Cool.
children's room.
That is why Ramnathan, it is 2.5 BHK. So the other work
Yeah.
room, you don't require
No,
a
but
toilet.
that 0.5 BHK, see that they give you 3 toilets, right? So if it is 2 toilets, then 0.5 BHK works out well.
But we worked
That's
out.
true.
We can't change now. So, can you
What's
tell
the
what was the
square
price?
feet, sir? What was the square
What is
feet
the
now
square-
you're quoting? Yeah, what's the pricing you're quoting actually?
So please tell what is the size it may be there for 2.5 BHK. This in this
It
configuration.
should be somewhere around 1250
1200?
square feet.
Sorry,
1200. Yeah.
1200.
Yeah.
Okay. So
I
we are
mentioned
giving in
1250.
You are talking about
1250.
corporate area.
I'm talking about carpet area, not a carpet area, total sellable area only. I'm asking.
Total
actually.
saleable only we will talk, because there is no use of talking
Yeah.
carpet area. When you go for
Yeah.
overall sale only,
You will get a heart attack if you listen about the carpet area.
Yes,
my
that's
assumption is 1200.
1200, 1250. Okay. So we are giving at 940 square feet in this configuration actually. This
Oh, great.
Okay.
apartment size was 940 square. 946 square feet is the size. This is what in this project highlights. On a 946 square feet apartment at this configuration, we are giving at 2.5 BHK actually. For this, all inclusive cost will come around 69 lakh rupees. This is including your car park, covered car park, EB, registration, taxes, first year maintenance, copper spend, everything will come under this. The all inclusive cost will come around 69 lakh rupees.
UDS?
So UDS will
what's
get
the
almost 36% UDS.
What's the
36%.
setback, sir?
Very less.
Sorry?
Man, UDS
Not,
What is
ma'am,
the
it is not
setback?
very less, ma'am.
Not less.
If you are going, yeah.
Sorry.
If you are going with a new FSI norm, the what the UDS we are giving, it's really good one. Ma'am. You won't get like 40%, 45%.
See, today when you compare UDS வச்சு நம்ம யாரும் ஒண்ணுமே பண்ண முடியாது. 132 apartment, it has to be
அதுதானே கேக்குறாங்க.
15 வருஷம் கழிச்சு தான் அது.
No. I think for condominiums, excuse me, Mr. Balaji, for condominiums, you have something called as the footprint area, na? So this UDS concept is long back explained by Hiranandani as a different way of allotting. You have any light to throw on that?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. We are giving as a UDS, we are registering it, ma'am. Not like in Hiranandani module, ma'am, actually.
Yeah. There it's only footprint. We only belong to that particular area.
Yes.
So those people started this 10 years ago and people accepted and bought for crores of rupees. They invested crores, even though they know that they're getting only footprint. So I think people are quite okay with getting a UDS, but then low UDS, but then the maintenance of the whole thing matters. Like the way Hiranandani is maintaining. That's the whole magic of a condominium.
Yeah.
That's what, ma'am. It is not come to in our market, ma'am. In Chennai market, if you come with on that concept, customers are accepting. But most of them still they are looking about the UDS only. The 36% UDS is a decent UDS. We cannot say it's a low, or we cannot say it's a very high UDS. It's a decent UDS, 36% basically.
What's the structure like? It is like how many floors?
It's a still plus 5 stories. We are giving all the facilities except a swimming pool. You have all the facilities like a gym, community hall, mini theater, workstation, and then a children's play area. Almost 10,000 square feet central podium is there. So such an excellent project. Maulik, we may share the basic information basically.
What's the land
So once
area?
if we get there,
What is the land
total
area?
land area, it is almost 1.6 acres.
Yeah, ma'am. I just want to add to your point. I used to work for Hiranandani for a long while. The reason behind Hiranandani calculating this UDS on footprint of building, it used to be 15 meters all around. On that, UDS is calculated. The reason is because all these roads, everything is gifted to the panchayat. So technically, they cannot not take UDS from the balance area.
Yeah.
It should be from the building footprint plus 15 meters all around.
Yeah.
And as a township, people were okay to get a lesser UDS. But in a typical project like this, where you have gated community or just utility homes, people are still conservative and they still count on the percentage of UDS what they get. And Hiranandani buyers used to be like mostly from Western India, either like from Mumbai or North India, where they don't have this concept of UDS.
UDS at all. It's a society holding.
Right. Whereas here, when you look at only Chennai clients, Chennai apartment buyers, the affinity towards UDS is still there.
Yes, it is there.
40% is the general norm, even in the cities and with all standard builders. Is 4% less. That's it.
Okay. No, ma'am. That is what, ma'am. For a still plus 4-story only, it's a 40% and all. For a still plus 5 and all, if you go, the UDS was the new FSI norms. Customers can get only 25 to 30% of UDS only.
Oh, okay.
So that's bad.
In future projects and all, future projects and all, customers will get that much of UDS only actually. So what was a 40% or 45% UDS and all? The old FSI norms basically.
That's what I'm talking about, the city projects. But people like you, where you have so much common amenities and so much common facilities, the garden area, that's going to be the new norm, I think. You're going to have a very good landscaping around with oxygen and with garden, with trees. I think people like Urban Tree, the name itself is so nice. All of you in the sales area must represent the finer aspects of our building. You should have more trees planted, more trees. Just there's no way about in the future. This UDS, what are we going to do with the UDS? We can't eat the UDS, you can't do anything. But if you are going to use the common area for a proper purpose, the people are going to be blessed to stay in such kind of places.
100%.
Yes,
Mr.
We have time for just another 1 or 2 questions, and then we can take it offline.
Okay.
I have shared the card of Maulik with everyone. It's on the groups. So the final 1 or 2 questions.
When is the completion of the project, and what is the present stage of the project?
So from the RERA, from when we may get the RERA in the month of July actually. From there, it is 24 months project duration.
Mr. Balaji, how many blocks are there and how many apartments in each floor?
Totally, it's 3 blocks are there. Each floor there will be 8 apartments, 8 to 9.
What is the width of the passage?
It's a 5 feet passage.
5 feet passage. Those facing each other or?
No, it is a zigzag position only.
Zigzag. Oh, thank you, Mr. Balaji.
Yeah.
And Mr. Balaji, any special offers for lockdown to encourage us?
Ma'am, the pricing what we are offering, it's some special price. Actual price was 72 lakh rupees, ma'am, actually, for the 2.5 BHK. On this lockdown offer only, we are giving a special price at 69 lakh rupees, actually. So, let's just register the lead. Let's think, ma'am, if we can give some better offer to them when the finalizing the
basic cost per square feet, Mr. Balaji? Basic cost?
Sir, here in this product, we are not selling in the base price costing way, sir, actually. We are giving us all-inclusive cost, actually. So there will be 4 configurations majorly. It's a 950 square feet, 2.5 BHK, 1100 square feet, 3 BHK, 1153 BHK, 1253 BHK, 69, 75, 69, and the next is 79, and maximum price is 95 lakhs, sir. So it's 1280 is the maximum size is. In this, your bedroom size, if you take for 1280, we are giving it 10 by 16 is your master bedroom. And 10 by 14 is your second bedroom. Those details we will share you, sir, actually. So that's what 69, 79, 85, and 95. These are the 4 ranges we have it, sir. We are selling it an all-inclusive price only, sir, this product. Because why? I'll just tell you the reason also. Because if I am saying as a base price means my base price will be a little more actually. Because of my size of the apartment actually. That is the reason. So we are selling it an all-inclusive price only, sir. So what is the concept means? Whereas in Porur market, if somebody wants to buy a 2-bedroom apartment, means the average price between it is 65 to 75 lakh rupees. That's for 1100 square feet. I'm saying. I'm not saying talking about the 859. I'm just talking about the 1100 square feet 2 BHK means the customer the minimum range of costing will be minimum 65 to maximum 75 lakh rupees actually. Whereas here customers can get on a 69 lakh rupees. It's a 2.5 BHK with the 3 toilets. We can say as a compact 3-bedroom. All inclusive will be 69. A proper 3 BHK means that will come around 80 lakh rupees.
Balaji, you said you are waiting for RERA approval. When is the completion date you are given to RERA?
Sorry, sir?
No, you said you are waiting for the RERA approval for this Amaze.
Sir, we are given the
completion date you have applied.
June, actually, we applied in the month of May end only. Sorry, May month only we applied. From there, it is 24 months plus 6 months grace period, sir. By 2023 May, 6 months is grace period.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much. You're giving
Thank
a
you,
nice
thank you.
presentation on all your projects.
Thank you, Maulik.
Sure.
Nice speaking to you.
Thank you.
Balaji.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir.
Maulik
What about
will give you a small
Balaji?
brief about the. Just a minute.
What
Sir.
about T Nagar
Maulik will give you a
property?
small brief about the T Nagar project. Just that's all.
T
Maulik?
Nagar, I will take only 5 minutes. Quick 5 minutes I will take. Okay. T Nagar project name is Marvelous Like You All. It is bang on South Bog Road. Murugan Kalyana Mandapam. That is the property. 9 grounds, 11 floors, 33 apartments. Each floor 3 apartments. Size is 1615. 3 BHK, 2 car parking. Second size 2310. 2 car parking. Then highest is 2900. 4 BHK, 3 car parking. All facilities are there. No swimming pool, terrace garden, gym, security camera, everything is there. Questions, please.
When is the completion? When
From
is the completion?
from the date of RERA, 30 months. 24 plus 6
30
months
months.
extension. Yes.
Okay.
So price per square foot?
Price, sir.
Yes. 14,799 pre-launch price.
14,799. 15,000 சொல்லுங்க.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is if the launch price will be 1,000 rupees extra. We have already taken 2 bookings for this.
When do you expect RERA approval? I mean, yeah.
It is extended, but you can take another 45 days. Advice, CMD advice received.
What is the commission percentage on this? Is it 10% or higher?
Right. I'll remove this.
I like this. I like this. The best question of the day.
Today it's a 2 booking ready. 10%.
No. I've taken it already. And Amit Bhai and Vinay Bhai has already shown the site to 4 customers actually. They're working on it. Luxury segment. By 2% it is for a luxury.
Sir, very less.
In fact, you should consider a little more, Maulik, because
you will get commission more. How? Because
how?
The project value is high. Every apartment is 3 crore, 4 crore, and 5 crore. So if you calculate, it is 6 lakhs, 8 lakhs, and 10 lakhs. So you're getting more. Forget the percentage.
That doesn't motivate us more. Like, give us more.
Okay, we'll work on it, definitely.
Maulik, I will put it in simple terms. Dil
Yes,
mange
sir.
more.
Definitely. We should drink Pepsi for that.
It is honestly more difficult to sell a high value product.
Exactly.
And actually customers will not come once, twice. They are actually coming 15 times, 20 times. So the effort is actually proportionately more. So you pay us 2%, but don't pay us 2% on 6 crores. You pay us 2% on 20 crores.
Absolutely.
For 2 apartments. Point taken. Definitely, I'll put this to the management. Definitely.
Yes.
Anyway.
Yes.
Just actually work on a higher percentage.
Definitely.
Maybe a 2.5, 3% will make people more interested in actually selling a high value product. It is actually very difficult to sell that.
And for your information, like Express Avenue, they are giving us a commission of 5%. You know that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Express Avenue sales head is here only. Srini.
Yes.
He's ex-sales head.
I know. Ex. Now so he's giving us leads.
I know.
So consider, sir, 2% is
definitely,
very less.
sir. Definitely. I will point taken. I'll put this to the management. Okay. I know how difficult it is to sell. Like Amit Bhai said, I have sold awesome entire project 8 units. I know how difficult it is.
Correct.
Anyway, thanks, Maulik. We'll connect with you.
Definitely.
So,
thank you so much
Amit,
for.
Thank you so much, Amit, for
Yes.
night. It was morning, lockdown time. Good.
Yeah, thank you, Amit. Thank you, Amit. Wonderful idea. Yeah.
Amit Bhai gave only 15 minutes time, but we took 1 hour 15 minutes.
That is actually because everybody is interested in actually what you're speaking.
Everybody was
and your style is also good. You'll just give 4 lines and you'll say, ask your questions.
Sir, I'm giving 4 lakhs for the questions.
Yeah. Okay. And second thing, we had about 60 people. Now it's only 49. So psychologically, you have to pay us only 49 lakhs.
Okay.
1 lakh to everybody. I will send you the bank account numbers as advance commission, and we'll keep selling, and we'll keep adjusting.
Sure, sir. Sure. So
Yes, sir,
everybody,
thank you so much for giving this opportunity.
Thank you so much, Amit Bhai,
Thank
Vinay Bhai,
you.
and everybody.
Yeah.
God bless. Take care.
Ahmed,
Thank
come
you.
to
Thank you so much.
So
Ahmed, do
we'll
I-
again connect tomorrow at actually 10:50 a.m.
Thank you.
Ahmed,
Sure,
do I
thank
have your
you.
permission, Ahmed?
Thank you.
Yes, Mujeeb, yes, proceed, please.
Yeah, to do a very healthy business, you need a healthy body and a healthy mind. To keep you fit, we are having a program tomorrow called
Zumba.
Zumba Fitness Family Program. This is being done by a professional. I request everybody to take part. It is mainly designed for all the entire family. So please be a part of it. Maintain a healthy body, a healthy mind, and get proper reward from Amit.
No, we want it from Mujibur.
No problem. Always, always, always. Whatever kind of program you want, we are ready to give it to you.
Indeed.
Great. So, thank you all for joining, and thank you to the team at Urban Tree. Maulik, everybody will actually connect with you, and we'll actually take this ahead one-on-one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thanks.
Bye.
Thanks.
Bye, all of
Bye-bye.
you.
Bye bye.